What if the key to your health, energy, natural radiance and wellness is found not on the shelf of a pharmacy, but in the National Hall at Olympia, London, Mind, Body, Spirit Festival? Join me. I am at the Mind, Body, Spirit Festival in Kensington, Olympia, UK. This festival started in 1977. Join me for an afternoon of tranquility, meditation and mindfulness, inner peace and joy. Come along. The Mind, Body, Spirit Festival is the absolute epicenter of alternative therapies and holistic wellness in the UK. But with over 200 brands, 7 stages and a massive amount of wellness trends fighting for your attention, it can feel incredibly overwhelming. How to optimize your MBS festival experience? Today we are exploring health and beauty, shamanic healing, sound healing and music. Number 1. Plan ahead. Scan the program and select workshops, talks and demonstrations to attend. Number 2. Try gentle experiences first.
Maybe it's the arms just start to shake. Wake up the body. Maybe you start to deepen your breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. 2 more like that as you continue to shake in through the nose and out through the mouth. 1 more deep breath in and sigh out.
Number 3. Take notes on sessions that resonate.
The breath of the mother as you regain and reclaim this ancient wisdom of the wise one. And now from this heart space that is burning bright with the energy of the earth, you start to move your energy all the way up. This burning ember that is feeding you, that is nourishing you, through the crown of your head, connecting in with that part of you that knows and sees all.
Number 4. Engage with practitioners. Ask for testimonials, credentials, evidence. Do not be afraid. Focus on women's holistic health, hormonal balance, neurodiversity.
Hi there, my name's Angela and this is LaBalance. LaBalance is a 2-piece magnetic device that helps with periods, perimenopause and menopause. It will help you with anxiety, stress and many other symptoms that are related to hormones. How does it work? Well, it's a two-piece magnetic device I mentioned earlier, and the way it works is it rebalances your autonomic nervous system. And by wearing it simply in the womb area here, as I've been wearing mine for 3 years, you'll find that you will sleep well, have minimum anxiety, minimum hot flushes, and I became involved in the business 3 years ago because it absolutely changed my life, and it's just lovely to help other women.
Number 5, treat experiences as complementary and not as a substitute for medical care. Shamanic approaches emphasize spiritual or symbolic healing. Experiences can be deeply personal.
And there you are, another version of yourself. The wise one, the medicine man, the medicine woman that always was. A part of you that is so powerful that all you can do is be there in awe. All those initiations, all those scars, all that light from all the darkness that was born. You coming back to yourself. See this part of you, this ancient wise being looking at you, and in this moment, this wise being, this elder, places a hand on your heart. And as they do, your heart becomes activated with light, with remembering, with the reclaiming of your gifts, your inner medicine, your power, and all of that light and that energy and that love, those gifts return to you from all of your lives, instantly back. Deep gratitude to the medicine that is yours, to your chosen path, to your beauty.
Drumming can have an energizing or calming effect and may support social bonding.
We are women, we come to drum. We are the child, we have got the sun. We hold the wisdom of the ancient ways. We will bring peace to this troubled day.
Sound healing is good for relaxation and mood shifts. People report reduced stress and improved sleep after sessions. Sound healings work through a process called entrainment. The physical sound waves actually slow your brain waves down from the beta states into deeply meditative alpha and theta states.
Based singing bowls, and then we add different elements into them like crystals, minerals, herbal teas like she's explaining, all different elements from the earth, and you use it on a daily routine for your meditation, and it's just a self-balancing tool.
Your liver is responsible for processing your emotions, balancing your hormones, and keeping your skin clear.
Hey, we're here at Mind Body Spirit with the Liver Clinic. So here we've got 2 arms to the business. We've got fibro scans happening here live on site. We've got a pop-up happening where people can understand more about their liver and get a real baseline diagnostics. And then we also have our supplement, Deliverance. This product is a combination of 17 different herbs and roots and is really aiming to holistically support the liver health.
Auckland is a platform for online readings and holistic consultations. Users can connect with psychics, tarot readers, astrologers, and esoteric advisors via live video. I absolutely love the focus on organic beauty products. And here I am not talking about chemical-laden high street brands. I am talking about plant-based products.
Hello, how are you? Welcome to Kadawi Natural. We have our bestseller Asaki Botanical Body Oil. So yeah, these are my colleagues.
So what does it do, the body oil?
Moisturizing. We have different products that do different things. We've got moisturizers, we've got exfoliates, we've got soaps that exfoliate, we've got facial oils that rejuvenate, that make your face glow, and we've got a range of different products. We also have bath salts, so for just like body rituals and just to enjoy yourself. We've got bath salts, bath bombs, and so that's.
So do you make these yourselves?
My sister makes them.
Right.
She makes the soaps. We've got handmade soaps. We've got soaps made with almond. But our black soap, we make them in Africa.
Yep.
So we get them from Africa. Black soaps are indigenous people in Africa.
Which part? Which part of Africa?
So West Africa.
West Africa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Ghana.
Yep.
They represent us, and it's something that is part of our culture, and we're bringing it to you today.
Do you use shea butter in any of your products?
Yes, we do.
Because that comes from Africa too.
Yeah, it does. Most of our body butters, the main ingredient is shea butter.
Yep.
And coupled up with a number of other things like marula oil and lavender oil, grapefruit oil for the scents.
Crystals are popular for focus, intentions, and mood rituals. Crystals are widely used for holistic wellness, acting as tools to promote relaxation, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Stones emit physical healing energy. They remain popular for mindful practices, intention setting, and as beautiful grounding objects of focus. The Mind Body Spirit Festival can be genuinely supportive of your wellness through community, movement, mindfulness, and positive experiences.
Raising your face to the sky, we call in the above, the divine masculine, sun, moon, galactic energies. We ask you to come into this space, hold us, provide space for us to really let go and drum in ease and grace and protection. We call in the above. And taking the awareness down to the floor. And we ask the Great Mother, Great Father Earth, Divine Feminine, to hold us with her soils, with her lands, with the ley lines that run through this space, in ease and grace and protection as we drum together this day. We call in the below. And taking the awareness to your heart center of your chest. Just let go. Doing it right. Allowing the energy to begin to build, the energy of love in you.
Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on creating harmony between individuals and their environment. Translating literally into wind and water, it utilizes design, spatial arrangement, and natural elements to optimize the flow of energy or qi to improve well-being, prosperity, and peace. Share your experiences from Olympia, London, or for that matter, any Mind Body Spirit festival. Which brands or therapies did you find most meaningful? Mind Body Spirit Festival is not just about spirituality and wellness. You can indulge in some retail therapy and buy colorful clothes, accessories, and artifacts for yourself, family, friends, and the significant other in your life. This label called Carpe Diem has a shop filled with vintage-inspired leather bags, canvas shoppers, dream catchers, crystals, tarot cards, and other goodies and gifts right in the middle of MBS Festival.
This journey will ever make. So a practice that is embodied, a practice that actually acknowledges firsts were the medicine women, the medicine men, and try and go to another side of the world, find out what's happening correct.
Like, share, comment and subscribe. Check the description for links and a glossary of terms we used today. This is Samita signing off. Till next week. Bye for now. If you come expecting pills that'll cure you overnight, you might be disappointed. If you come with an open mind, this place is absolutely unmatched. Good place for wildlife. It is.